Welcome back. I'm John Caro, this is Tim Murphy, and this is the Gold Spot. Tim, government keeps spending money. What's going on?
Yeah, it's unbelievable, really. We're the national debt right now is approaching 35 trillion. But more importantly, it's rising exponentially. It's in the beginning when debt goes up, it's good for everybody. Everybody has money and everybody's happy, but that's all changing. And COVID really changed the whole picture. And now we're printing money like there's no tomorrow. And even coming November, we're going to be up to 36 trillion national debt. And that didn't even count unfunded liabilities like Social Security and Medicare. It's unbelievable. And the world is seeing this. We've got gold now trading at $2,430, and it's up about 20 to 25% this year. And the reason is because China is buying it, and the Chinese bank, the Chinese citizens, they're all over the gold market, and we're running out of physical gold. And the reason China is buying is they see our situation with the debt, and the debt's rising, and it can only lead to one thing. It's a mathematical thing, really. With the debt rising like it is, we're going to see something like the 1970s with stagflation. And that stagflation is a weak economy, it's higher inflation, it's higher interest rates, all of this stuff. The Chinese see this, and that's why they're buying the gold. And then on top of that, you've got the BRICS countries, which again, led by China and also Russia and India. They see the situation as well with the rising debt. There's no way around it. We're in big trouble. Even the big heavyweights on Wall Street, and Ray Dalio and Elon Musk just came out the other day again to say that we are as a country, we're broke. And Jamie Dimon for JP Morgan he's extremely concerned about the economy and where things are headed. So it's a situation that is it's out of control. And it's because of higher interest rates and because of higher inflation to come. And again, it's a mathematical certainty that we're going to have this stuff. It's not good for the stock market. It's not good for the economy. It's not even good for real estate. So you really need to be protected somehow. It's just besides the mathematical part of it, it's common sense. Just look at the situation and protect yourselves. And then on top of all that, we've got the election coming up. So maybe John can just talk a little bit about that, because of the uncertainty now. It's off the charts.
Well, the election is going to be a factor one way or the other. People are uncertain. People are starting to pick sides, and the rhetoric is ratcheting up. But as a practical matter, I saw a report this morning. Next year, we got $9 trillion of debt coming due. Got to be paid, which means more debt has to be generated to pay the debt that's coming due. And whoever wins the election is going to be handed that bill and have to deal with it. And we're just not addressing these problems. We keep doing the same thing over and over. And at some point, we're going to have to pay the price. And you can see that in the gold market, in the metals market. People are starting to look for a safe haven again.
Yeah, and the last thing I'm going to say is the people are just starting, and starting is sort of the key word, because really the public is not engaged in the metals and gold and silver at the moment. And that's good news, because gold is telling us something is going to happen. We're going to have an event. I don't know, it could be banks going under, it could be something real significant. And then all of a sudden fear kicks in. And when fear kicks in, the public buys gold. And when the public buys gold, they drive the price up and up and up. And that's what we have coming. You can wait till the election. You can wait till gold goes up, much higher in price. But you're gonna pay more for it, and you're gonna be sorry that you did wait. So just get on board now.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week on the Gold Spot.
If you enjoyed today's Gold Spot, like or subscribe to both our YouTube or our Rumble channels. Also, comment below if you have any questions, or if you want to hear us talk about something specific in a future video.